In today's BANI world, one that feels brittle, anxious, nonlinear, and often incomprehensible, data sovereignty is no longer a compliance checkbox. It's become a fundamental pillar of digital trust. In fact, for nearly a quarter of organizations IDC surveyed, sovereignty now outweighs even innovation as a top business priority. SaaS, or software as a service, is everywhere, supporting nearly every business function and driving the fastest growth in enterprise data, particularly across collaboration and productivity platforms. For almost half of organizations, SaaS is now the primary driver for data growth, placing it at the center of sovereignty concerns due to its critical role in day-to-day operations. But here's the paradox. While organizations are increasingly reliant on these cloud services, the risks have never been higher. Executives are ever more concerned about data inaccessibility, geopolitical tensions, cross-border legal exposure, foreign government access requests, and tightening regulatory requirements. In many cases, SaaS platforms are also ranked among the highest for data loss concerns. Addressing these challenges requires a clear shift towards a resilience-centric approach to data sovereignty. Notably, digital native organizations are already moving from anxiety to action. Nearly 9 in every 10 of these organizations plan to increase their investment in SaaS data protection to reduce their risks and strengthen control. While absolute isolation is unrealistic in this globally connected digital economy, research shows that the real battleground for sovereignty is not policy alone. It is a technical architecture. To achieve strategic autonomy, organizations must move beyond minimum viable compliance and focus on the architectural foundations of residency and resilience. Our research identifies 3 non-negotiable pillars of a sovereign technical strategy. The first one is legal jurisdiction. Organizations must have clear visibility into which national laws govern their protected data. This includes maintaining control over encryption keys and providing a critical safeguard against unwanted third-party or cross-border access. The second pillar is data residency. Sovereignty extends beyond where data is stored. It requires full control over data movement, transparency through auditing, and the ability to demonstrate at any time where your data resides. And the third pillar is operational autonomy. This is the cornerstone of cyber resilience. Backup and recovery environments must be logically isolated using separate security domains and credentials. This prevents a compromise in production systems from spreading into recovery data. Capabilities such as immutability are no longer optional. They are essential for protection against ransomware and insider threats. Achieving a sovereign SaaS environment is not about a single product purchase. It is a result of deliberate architectural and data governance decisions. Organizations that fail to implement these fundamental risk mitigation strategies face significant exposure, including the potential of irreversible data loss in as little as 90 days. In our research report, we explore the technical controls required to protect SaaS data and provide a practical roadmap for embedding resilience, portability, and control by design. For more information, download the IDC white paper titled Navigating Data Sovereignty in the Cloud Era with a Resilience-Centric Approach, sponsored by Veeam.